What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video is going to be all about bras. Now, I'm pretty sure all of us have our own checklist when it comes to looking for bras. Maybe you're looking for support. Maybe it's for something that will lift you, give you an extra cup size. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the things I look for in a bra and also the two bras, one which is strapless from the UpBra, as well as the t-shirt bra, which I'm currently wearing right now. This video is in partnership with UpBra, so thank you so much to UpBra for partnering with me for this video. Let me first kind of get TMI with you guys. So I wear a size 34C. The things I look for when it comes to a regular t-shirt type of bra, I look for something that will really give my girls support and lift, and something that will look seamless, especially under shirts like this. For a strapless bra, I'm looking for something that will give my girls the extra lift that they need, and something that's actually going to stay up and I don't have to keep kind of like tugging on my bra. The first one I'm going to be talking about is this strapless UpBra. The nice thing about this bra, number one, is that it has seamless material, so it's going to look nice underneath shirts that are like this, like very body hugging, where you just want the bra to be seamless right against your skin. It also has these two like vinyl strips on both sides of the bra strap so that it really hugs against your body and it doesn't slip. Now, a couple of things I want to note about the UpBra that makes this bra really different is that right here in the front you have these two bra straps, and underneath it you have all of these I guess you could say they're kind of like hooks. You can actually place the bra strap underneath these hooks depending on how much lift you want your girls to have. It also has these little tiny heart grippers in the middle, which I really like, so it kind of holds your girls in. And something else I wanted to show you guys up close is when you pull the straps, pulls your girls together and gives them that lift, and it doesn't feel stiff. It's not padding. It has a separate little technology right here where when you pull it, it lifts it up. They also recommend that the bra fit you snug. If it doesn't fit you snug, then you won't get the maximum benefits. And it also says that if you go past the 8th hook from the middle, if you're already going to your 9th or 10th hook, you probably want to get a different size because you're not wearing the proper size for the UpBra. They also provided bra straps, so you can wear this bra as a strapless, but you can also wear this in many different ways. Maybe if you want to wear it one shoulder or maybe as a halter. Now you guys can see in the demo how my girls look when I'm just wearing the bra as is without pulling the center straps in the middle. But once I kind of figure out how much lift I want to give my girls and then hook it on, you guys can see the lift that it gives. It actually stays in place. This bra works for me. I went ahead and switched out the bra. So this is the bra that I was currently wearing a second ago, and I switched it out to the strapless bra, which still is strapless. I'm not wearing the straps with it. So this is also the other bra, which I wanted to mention is called the t-shirt bra. You can convert the straps. If you want to wear it as a crisscross backing, you have that option to do that. It also has the adjustable straps. Again, the same thing in the front. It has the hooks at the bottom and you can adjust it. And this will kind of give you guys a clearer picture of how this technology works. So when you pull the straps, it pushes your girls forward, but it doesn't lose the shape in the front. So it's nice and seamless and smooth. You don't see any bulging. If you're wearing a top where you want extra lift or even want to go up a cup size, this is a really great bra because it gives you that effect without feeling like you're wearing a ton of padding. You want to take the two straps right here in the middle. You kind of pull on the straps to adjust it depending on your preference. Just kind of adjust your girls and you should be good. I'm really, really impressed with the quality, the comfortability, also with the amount of lift and support that I receive from these bras. If you guys are interested, I also have a coupon code where you will receive $10 off of your entire purchase. And I'm also going to link them down below in the description box so you guys can go check them out. 100% believe in this bra, and for me personally, I like the bra. I like the way how my girls look and feel in this bra. So let me know in the comment area down below below, what do you guys look for in a bra? Is it going up a cup size? Is it giving you that lift and support? I would love to get your feedback. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you guys are new here. I would greatly appreciate it. As well as don't forget to hit that bell notification to be notified of new uploads. Follow me on my social media. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the other videos right over here. You guys might enjoy those as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.